होलिस्टिक स्कूलिंग के क्लासरूम का चैप्टर नंबर 3 चल रहा है। बात कर रहे हैं मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंसेस की। डॉक्टर न्यूटन, इंटेलिजेंस की बात हो रही है, बट इंटेलिजेंस किसी भी बच्चे का मेजर कैसे करेंगे?
Actually, IQ generally is measured through questionnaire method. There are some questions that are given and they have to answer in a particular, specified time. So according to that, they measure it. Even EQ is also measured through questionnaire. Even SQ can be measured that way. They'll also observe how a person is managing their emotions, managing others' emotions, and managing relationships. That's how emotional intelligence is measured. Even SQ, how much adaptable they are, how much flexible they are, what kind of visions they have about their general life. Because many of the visionaries, they have awakened SQ. Lot of SQ, high SQ is there.
जी डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, आजकल हर बच्चे का जो दिन भर का शेड्यूल होता है वो इतना पैक्ड होता है, स्कूल से घर, फिर ट्यूशन, फिर होमवर्क, पढ़ाई, इन सब के बीच ये सब करने का टाइम कैसे निकलेगा?
See, actually, most of the activities are chosen by the parents. Actually, if a child comes to them and says, I want to become an actor, I'm interested in this acting ability. तो generally, in general, parents ये कहते हैं, actor बन के क्या करोगे तुम? You can't become an actor just like that, you have to work hard and it's not possible. So they generally discourage the child. So whatever talent or ability is there within them just goes, deep down. Okay, so that's why the parents and teachers have to really find out what are their likes, what are they really enjoying, and they have to put them into those activities by really giving equal time to all the things. Yeah.
जैसे डॉक्टर न्यूटन ने बताया इंटेलिजेंस मेजर करने का तरीका, आपको क्या लगता है ये स्कूल में ये प्रैक्टिस किया जा सकता है हर बच्चे के साथ?
बिल्कुल मैम. And abhi, like I wanted to ask sir a question also, because in our class 30-35 children are there, sir. So sometimes you can make out these children are very intelligent, these are in between, and these are the underachievers. Okay. So thing is, sir, it is sometimes very difficult to sustain the interest of the intellectual students, because see, you may be taking the pace of the subject in such a way that the even underachievers understand it. Okay. Sir, how to then maintain
balance.
Their
because in the classroom all categories of students are there who have different intelligences. So somewhere there must be a balance that need to be striked. So some they for example, teacher knows that there are many students who are bodily kinesthetic, they learn from movement. So the teacher with movements and when they teach, they will grasp a lot of things. Some are visual kinesthetic, visual spatial people. So the teaching aids need to give them, the teachers need to give them the idea, the concept in a visual form. So according to these intelligences, different categories of students, they can be taught in beautiful manner. To make it more interesting, teacher need to find device to maintain, to generate interest in people. Even boring lessons can be transformed into such an interesting lessons.
Yeah.
In a points form and making them interactive, very interactive session. Asking the students to become teachers for us sometime. Now come on, read this paragraph, now you are the teacher. So each one given an opportunity to become a teacher, so it generates a lot of interest in them. And one more thing is meditation is such a powerful key. Even underachievers and mediumly advanced students and also well advanced students, everyone can really get benefited.
मिस्टर मिश्रा, आपकी बेटी आपने कहा बहुत स्टूडियस है, लेकिन कभी कभी जब एग्जाम में किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में खराब नंबर आए तो चिंता हो गई कि अब आगे क्या होगा, इसके तो बहुत खराब मार्क्स आए।
एक्चुअली द लास्ट बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन क्लास 10, she has done a silly mistake just identifying the water park and water lake. So the question was of 10 marks, and after she found that it might be wrong. So I was unable to control her. She was crying, virtually crying, and there was nothing to do. Actually, we are helpless. Actually, at that time, I was with her, and that was the time. And I do not think how to handle that kind of a situation.
How to control a child in such a situation?
Generally, after allowing the child to completely cry out, because it's a natural emotion. They feel, you know, I have really forgotten that, how could I do it? They feel some kind of sadness for it.
तो कुल मिला के एनकरेज करना है, बच्चों के इंटरेस्ट को नर्चर करना है। ये क्लास कैसी रही, अपने गेस्ट से पूछते हैं। मैम आपसे शुरू करते हैं, कैसा रहा ये एक्सपीरियंस?
Ma'am, first of all, I to thank sir and ma'am. Like whatever I have learned today, ma'am, from today itself, I'm going to begin it in my school also, ma'am. I'm going to share it with my colleagues also. And I'm going to start everything from today itself. Like from tomorrow, I'm going to do this, and as sir said, the growing of the tree and all. I'm sure children are going to love it. Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome.
मिश्रा जी, आपके लिए कैसी रही ये क्लास?
No, I'm very much privileged that I met such kind of person and they have put such an idea. So actually somebody has told that if you throw a stone into the water and that will wave, that will create wave, and ideas are such kind of thing, and they have stirred our mind actually. So we will continue to learn more about the holistic school, sir.
Wonderful.
So thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
श्रुति, आप बताइए।
It's been wonderful. I thank sir and ma'am for sharing their ideas with us, because it's very good then that I'm sharing my views, my interests with others, and also getting very precious tips from them. So I thank.
Welcome.
और सारे आपकी मतलब की बात है, इसलिए आप बहुत खुश होंगे। तो ये खुशी हमारे साथ आप कैसे शेयर करोगे? कुछ सुना के?
Anyway, okay.
प्लीज कम, इधर आ जाओ। आपकी टीचर हैं और आपकी बहुत सारी टीचर्स आपको देख रही हैं टीवी पर, तो सुना दो उनको कुछ।
Gayatri Mantra.
ओके।
So we'll take Gyan Mudra first. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Ryo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Ryo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Ryo Nah Prachodayat.
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, अपने मंत्र, गायत्री मंत्र, ये सारी चीज़ें स्कूल में इनकलकेट कराना स्टूडेंट्स को।
It's powerful vibrations, because whenever any chant, any kind of music, it generates such a positivity in the mind, and also the whole vibrations will change.
और अगर किसी बच्चे को इंटरेस्ट ना हो ये सब सीखने में तो
So they will have different interests. Maybe someone is interested in stillness meditation, watching the breath. Maybe they are interested in pranayama. They may be interested in yoga, more of yogasanas. So the more bodily kinesthetic people, they like yogasana. So that point of time we can encourage them.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर न्यूटन, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, कि आपने हमें इतनी सारी चीज़ें बताई। और अपने गेस्ट का भी मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगी, मैम आपका, मिश्रा जी आपका, और श्रुति आपका, कि आपने इतनी सारी बातें की हमसे और हमें गायत्री मंत्र सुनाया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो ये तो हुआ होलिस्टिक स्कूलिंग के क्लासरूम का चैप्टर नंबर 3। चैप्टर नंबर 4 में हम बात करेंगे कि कई बार टीचर्स जो हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स की छोटी छोटी बातों पे नाराज़ क्यों हो जाते हैं, क्यों कभी कभी उन्हें वो जवाब नहीं मिलते जो एक स्टूडेंट को चाहिए होता है, आखिर क्यों बढ़ती है स्टूडेंट और टीचर के बीच की ये दूरी। ये बात करेंगे हम होलिस्टिक स्कूलिंग के क्लासरूम के चैप्टर नंबर 4 में।